Good morning, children. Welcome to your maths class. Chapter 1, Numbers and Number Names. Today we will discuss about formation of greatest and smallest numbers. Repetition of digits not allowed. When you have given digits, then you will not supposed to repeat the digits. So let's see the example. Form greatest and smallest number of 5 digits using the digits 2, 1, 6, 0 and 7 only once, means no repetition will be there. So first of all we have to make a place value chart. Now we will start with the greatest 5 digit number. So from this given number digits, 7 will be the greatest digit. So 7 we will write under 10,000. Next 6 is there, so 6 will write under 1000. Next 2 is at 100 place and 1 is at 10's place and 0 at 1's place. So our greatest number will be 76,210. Now here you can see, here we have not repeated any digit. Now come to the smallest number of 5 digit number. So from these given 5 digits we have to write the smallest digit. The smallest digit is 0. When we will write 0 at 10,000 place and after that 1 we will write at 1000 place, then we have only a 4 digit number, because when 0 will be there at 10,000 place, then we have only 4 digit number, but actually we have to make smallest 5 digit number. So we should not write 0 at 10,000 place. So we will take the next digit. So after 0, what will be the next digit? That is 1. So we will write 1 at 10,000 place. Now after 1 we will write 0. So 0 at 1000 place. Now come to next digit, that is 2. So 2 at 100 place, 6 as 10th place and 7 as 1's place. So the smallest 5 digit number will be 10,267. Now next concept is repetition of digits is allowed. Now we will make the numbers with the help of given digits. Now we can repeat the digits. Example is form greatest and smallest number of 5 digits using the digits 2, 8, 4 and 7. Here you can see 4 digits are given to us and we have to make greatest and smallest number of 5 digits. It means one digit we have to repeat. So let's see how we will make. So first of all given digits are 2, 8, 4 and 7. Now first of all you will represent the place value chart. Now greatest 5 digit number we will write. Now in greatest 5 digit number, so first of all we will write the greatest digit from the given digits. So greatest digit is 8. So 8 we will write at 10,000 place. Now greatest number we are writing and greatest digit is 8. It means we have to repeat the greatest digit as 8 to make these 4 digits into 5 digit numbers. So we will write 8 also at 1000 place. Now next digit will be 7. So 7 we will write at 100 place and 4 is at 10's place and 2 is at 1's place. So greatest 5 digit number will be 88,742. Now come to the smallest 5 digit number. Now we have to start from the smallest digit from these given 4 digits. So which one is the smallest? 2 is the smallest digit. It means we have to repeat digit 2. So first of all we will write 2 at 10,000 place and 2 also at 1000 place. Now next digit will be 4. Now 4 we will write at 100 place, and 7 at tens place, and 8 at ones place. So smallest 5 digit number will be 22,478. Now fixing a digit at a place. Now here we can fix a digit at a particular place, and then we have to write the greatest as well as smallest numbers. Example, form greatest and smallest number of 5 digits using the digits 1, 2, 8, 6 and 4 with 4 in the thousands place. Now here we have to fix digit 4 in the thousand place. So let's see. The given digits are 1, 2, 8, 6 and 4. So first of all represent the place value chart. Now we will write the greatest 5 digit number. But we have to fix a digit 4 at thousand place. So first of all we will write 4 at thousand place. Now we will start to write the greatest 5 digit number. So greatest digit from this given digits is 8, that we will write at 10,000 place. Now 1000 place already we have written here digit 4. So we will not write any digit here. So come to the next place, that is 100. So next digit will be 6. Now at tens place we will write 2, and at ones place we will write 1. So greatest 5 digit number will be 84,621. Now come to the smallest 5 digit number. Now condition is same. We have to write digit 4 at thousand place. So first of all we will write at 4 at thousand place. Now start to write the smallest 5 digit number. So smallest digit is 1. So 1 we will write at 10,000 place. 4 as it is at 1000 place. Next digit is 2, that we will write at 100 place. Then 6 at tens place, and digit 8 at ones place. So we get smallest 5 digit number as 14,268. So in this way we can write smallest as well as greatest 5 digit numbers with the help of given digits. Okay students, take care.